On April 10th, a 15-year-old boy from the Yanomami tribe in northern Brazil was the first Brazilian Indian to die from COVID-19. He was not living in his village, but in a small town in the Amazon state of Roraima, where he attended school.
São os nossos lideranças mais velhos, eles estão preocupados e se
The
chegar
Yanomami
essa
people are
doença,
very worried.
o povo
Our
Yanomami
elders, our
vai morrer
leaders
tudo.
say that if the
Por
virus
isso,
gets to
nós
our
estamos
villages, all Yanomami are going to
continuando
die.
alertando
That's why
os
we're telling the
Yanomami
Yanomami to
até
stay in
os
isolation within their
Yanomami
villages, in their land.
para eles ficarem no isolamento na sua terra.
And it's not only the Yanomami people that are locking down their areas. Roadblocks have been set up by several indigenous communities in the Amazon to prevent people getting in or out.
We are here to control the entry of strangers in our village, and we are also asking people not to leave. They should only travel to the state's capital in cases of extreme necessity. We are asking everybody to take care of our health.
In the first week of April, environmental authorities carried out a special operation to prevent illegal mining and logging in indigenous lands in the state of Pará. Bridges were cut off and heavy machinery was burned to make sure it wouldn't be used again. COVID-19 has hit Brazilian indigenous people, and the disease is not the only problem. Hunger is also a threat to more distant communities that have been put in isolation to avoid the arrival and the spread of the coronavirus.
A gente vai procurando convencê-los a segurar, né?
While we can't deliver the goods, we have been telling them to make do with whatever they can have from their land, like fish and game. We are trying to convince them that it's better for them to go through some hardship now instead of risking their lives.
The isolation in the jungle may be a protection against COVID-19 for many indigenous people, but the consequences could be severe in communities if the virus manages to get into their villages. Paulo Cabral, CGTN, Manaus, in the Brazilian Amazon.